Ready? Ani Zoongizi Makwa Dishnakas Makwa Dodem Wiigwaam Kong Donjiba Anishinaabemowin Nindao. My name is Strong Bear, and I'm Bear Clan, and I come from Wiigwaam on Manitoulin Island. And this was a really good opportunity for me to just realize, well, how much I don't know of the language, because when you can't speak English at all, I'm just completely speechless pretty much. But this time I've been here, I've been able to learn some things about just how to talk, and yeah, I'm looking forward to coming next time. It's been a lot of fun meeting new people and learning new words, and I hope to use the language when I pray, because I just feel it has more meaning. I think it just helps us connect to ourselves too, just through the language. Different little phrases like "ode" means from the heart, and just different little things like that. How you can decode every little word. If you know prefixes and suffixes, you can pretty much know any word because of the meaning it has. And if I learn that way, I'd be able to see the world differently, and our connection to it, to each other, and to everything. And yeah, I really look forward to praying in the language. And yeah, ahal miigwech, pamapi.